If you've ever wondered the secret to creating cohesive spaces, let me show you how we've done it in our latest renovation. Hi there, it's Erin here from Three Birds Renovations, and today I want to show you how we have styled this property with some gorgeous pieces from James Lane. The first piece we chose was this beautiful curved cream lounge. It's called the Colette from James Lane. The reason we chose this lounge is because it's curved and it's low. So we were able to place it in this unique position in the room. So it's not centered on anything at all. It's just sitting here, but it's anchoring the room. And now this lounge is unique also in that it is as beautiful from the front as it is from behind. Now to complement the beautiful shape of this lounge, we've gone with the oval shape here of the coffee tables. And then to contrast that, we've gone with a beautiful James Lane marble side table. And now with this side table, you'll see a bunch of colours coming through there. So we've pulled that green through into this gorgeous James Lane artwork here, which then ties into the final piece, which is actually my favourite in the room, which is this green vase. I just love it. So the beds we've chosen in the 3 bedrooms not only look incredibly beautiful, but they have so much storage built into them. I'm so impressed. And those beds are super comfy. So if you're giving your own home a refresh, head online or pop in store today.